Hi, in this video we're going to look at a website called StudyStack, StudyStack.com. Okay, as with all of our sites, you'll be able to go there, sign up for a free account, and then simply log into your account. And you can search for existing stacks of flashcards if you like from here. So if I wanted to search for, say, HTML, I can see that there are 2,037 flashcard sets containing HTML. So that might be a lot of work for me to drill down here and find things that are going to be useful to me. You can see this one is 18 cards, 13 cards, 5 cards. So most of them are rather small, 21 cards. Let's try that and see what happens. Code for a horizontal line. So this is someone who's looking at particular HTML code. But if I want to see the answer, click to flip. That is the correct answer. And I can go back and forth to study it. If I click over here, I'll come to the next card, code for unordered list. It's an UL. I can put it on autoplay, which means it'll give me a certain amount of time on each. Code for unordered list, and I get that in my head, and there it is. Ordered list, I'm sorry. Code for definition and glossary lists. Okay, I can use this to shuffle them. To restart, there's a pause button. I can have it show the answers first instead, so it might be an easier way to start studying in the beginning. So I have to remember that this is a horizontal line. If I click on it, yep, there it is. And then when I feel that I really know something, I can mark it as known or don't know. Okay, so that's going to affect what I see in the stack. I can star a particular card or term definition set, and that'll help me later. I can also use the speak option, which will use a computer generated voice to read the information back to me. Now, I can see this information in other forms as well. Right now I'm looking at it in flashcards, but I could look at it as a matching. Code for changing a background image is that one. And you can see that the picture begins to be revealed. Code for... Again, if I continued, I'd see the entire picture. I can, of course, restart that. Or I can go to the bottom and play a game of hangman, crossword, have to type in the answer, showing me the answer here, but it gives me the opportunity to practice it. So various different options here. You can look through them all yourself. There's quite a few. Now, if I go to my dashboard, you'll notice that I have already started a stack here, but if you wanted to start one of your own, you say create a new stack. You'd have to give it a name. And the labels on the side, you can label them as question and answer or as term and definition, or you can make your own. And this is just the labeling that goes along with it when it's presented. Generate random fill-in-the-blank clues for activities. Sure, why not? Allow others to edit this set. That's up to you. Allow others to view this set. And then we do categorize these. Again, unfortunately, the categories are somewhat limited. So there's, for medical or for languages, etc. However, something nice about this is you can give it a general classification. It doesn't have to be one of these sub-classifications. It could be a general topic. I'll just call that science. And then you save your changes. At that point, you can come to data, and this is where you add your sets of words and definitions. You can add additional blank rows at the bottom. And the third option is to go to Slides. Add one or more images to the slides below. So you can upload images, put a label on them, and create a series of slides that way if you'd like. Now, once done, it'll appear in your list. To get back in and to make changes to it, you can simply click Edit. See, this is only the one there. You can delete it. And you can see in this one I've given it a little bit more data. And so even these sets that I create can be used for crossword puzzles, matching games, quizzes, etc. So a nice little tool, a tool that you could create and share with students, but also a tool that students can use on their own. So a student who's aware of the site can sign up for it, create their own study materials, and might be helpful, a little more interesting than perhaps making actual index cards or some other way that they may be studying basic level vocabulary or foundational concepts.